Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Friday. I'm going to do something quick, simple and easy. So here I have some leftover biscuits, I have some tomatoes, I have some sharp cheddar, mozzarella cheese, and I have ground beef. So normally on weekends I like to clean out my fridge, and whatever leftovers I have on my fridge, I try to use it and not take it over in the other week. So here I have my pot on the stove that is hot. I'm going to go ahead and just place my ground beef in. And I'm just going to go ahead and just break apart my ground beef. So while my beef is being cooked on the stove, I'm just going to take my rolling pin and just roll my biscuit out. To my beef, I'm going to add half of an onion. I am then going to season with some garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, onion powder, smoked paprika. Let me get the cover off. Oregano leaves, cumin powder, little half teaspoon, pepper, salt, some soy sauce, add some yellow mustard, some tomato paste. Just go ahead and mix this. To that I'm going to add at least half cup of heavy whipping cream. Add some water. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar to cut down the acidity of the tomato paste. Lastly, I'm going to add some green chili. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cover this and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. To my beef, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my sharp cheddar cheese, so my mozzarella cheese as well. And just mix that in there. I went ahead and half baked my biscuits, so now I'm going to go ahead and place my tomatoes on. Go ahead and just sprinkle with some black beans as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef. Into that, I'm just going to sprinkle with the remainder cheese. Add some more mozzarella. Now I'm going to go ahead and place back in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. And here is my casserole. I'm going to go ahead and dig right into this. And there you have it. I went ahead and paired it with some fried plantain and cucumber salad.